Welcome to our educational video on liver health. Today, we will explore how alcohol and other substances can impact the liver and discuss the importance of a healthy lifestyle. The liver is a vital organ in our body responsible for detoxifying harmful substances, processing nutrients, and maintaining overall health. When we consume alcohol, the liver works hard to metabolize it. Excessive alcohol intake can lead to inflammation, fatty liver disease, and even cirrhosis, a severe condition where the liver tissue is replaced by scar tissue. Alcohol is not the only substance that can harm the liver. Drugs, certain medications, and even high-sugar diets can contribute to liver damage. It's crucial to be aware of what we put into our bodies. Recognizing the signs of liver damage, such as jaundice, abdominal pain, and fatigue, is essential. If you or someone you know is experiencing these symptoms, it's important to seek medical advice promptly. Fortunately, there are ways to prevent liver damage. Maintaining a balanced diet, exercising regularly, limiting alcohol consumption, and avoiding illicit substances are key steps to a healthy liver and overall well-being. Thank you for watching our video on liver health. Remember, our liver plays a vital role in our body, and it's up to us to protect it. By making informed choices and adopting a healthy lifestyle, we can safeguard our liver and enjoy a happier, healthier life.